Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips. Colorx is a very useful tool to quickly create numerous color stories on a given piece-dyed fabric image.
With the increasing demand for digital presentation, Colorx immensely helps to reduce laptops, and also helps to communicate your color ideas across the board during fabric approval.
To create color stories of a piece-dyed fabric, one dyed sample of the desk loom fabric is required. The whole concept starts with a quick replacement of colors.
We take a scanned piece-dyed fabric image to demonstrate.
This is a scanned image of a piece-dyed fabric. As explained earlier, this is the image of a gray desk loom fabric, which has been dyed with a single color.
Color replacement is a simple drag-and-drop process.
The colors for replacement can be dragged from the loaded color palette.
You can create your own color palette and use it for color replacement.
Let's now replace color of the fabric.
Colors are replaced, keeping the texture and light effect details in the original image intact.
You can compare the color replaced image with the original image.
Original image.
Color replaced image. Once the colors are replaced, you can quickly create more colorways by a simple drag and drop. Let's demonstrate.
And so on.
Let's load one more fabric image and replace its colors.
This is a cross-dyed fabric with two different colors in the warp and the weft.
Let's replace both the colors.
Original image.
Color replaced image. There are two ways by which you can create more colorways.
Either you can create the colorways manually as shown earlier, or allow the software to generate colorways randomly on its own.
Auto color creation is an extraordinary feature of Colorx.
In the auto mode, the software picks up colors randomly from the loaded color palette.
Every time you press Ctrl-A, a new color combination is generated.
Press Ctrl-A to create auto colorways.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on.
In this fabric image, let's replace ground color as well as the slab color.
Original image.
Color replaced image.
As the color is now replaced, press Ctrl A to create auto colorways. And so on.
Presenting a few images with their color variations created in the Colorx software.
On each page there is one original image and rest of the color variation images created in the Colorx. And so on. With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.